What's up guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Panda Allen, your ultimate P-pop reactor. Today we're going to be reacting to SB19's Damn, but not the song because I've already made a reaction video to Damn, their lyric video, an all-out Sunday performance, and of course the music video. So in case you missed that, check that reaction video from my previous uploads. And I've also made a reaction video to one part of the behind the scenes or BTS series, which was the character styling. So today we're going to be reacting to one of the most interesting parts of the series, which was the song and the choreography of Damn. And this part has now more than 220,000 views. Wow. In this video, we're probably going to see how they came up with the song, the brilliant ideas that they have gathered, and of course, the choreography that significantly elevated their live performances, adding a visual spectacle that complements the intensity of the music. Without further ado, I can't wait. Let's go react to the song and choreography.
Sobrang nakaka-pressure kasi itong Damn.
Oh, this is Jay, right? What are they doing?
Yung weakness na pinapalakas namin, pinapa-strengthen namin is hindi yung flesh, kundi yung soul na namin.
Ooh, I see that. Wow. It's not all about the appearance of the flesh, but the soul.
Pagiging warrior talaga.
That's just about right. Bruh, they're like training. Soldier training.
Hanggat hindi natatapos yung isang project, hindi ako makapagpahinga. Hindi rin ako makatulog ng maayos. Kasi parang may utang ako sa sarili ko na kailangan kong bayaran.
Bruh. Jay deserves a lot of credit to SB19's success.
Biggest comeback ever.
In terms of how he has influenced them, how he's created those dance steps.
Same lang naman.
Oh, Pablo's editing it? Oh, that's the beat.
Ganda ng pasok nung ending.
Nung napakinggan ko yung Damn, marami siyang transition tsaka dynamics eh. So parang na-imagine ko talaga noon, maraming mangyayari.
Alam mo yung yung paglalabanin yung ano,
Sabong parang
yung parang dalawang tao, parang
Tapos yung dance step niya ibang feel din.
kaya
Pas parang ano siya, parang hip-hop na 70s style.
Ito niya masarap sa'yo.
Gusto ko yung variation. Actually, nagawan ko na agad siya nung nakuha ko siya.
Who's the other guy? This one with a bit get.
Ko pwedeng mga
Parang chanting na sa likod.
Parang ano talaga kasi parang final battle.
Pagdating naman sa recording ng song na Damn, this time kasi sobrang organized ng team namin. I guess, pero hindi siya naging madali eh. Siyempre, naging mas meticulous pagdating sa pag-record, sa pag-edit.
Oh, that's the brother.
Collate ng lahat para ma-release ng the best.
Bakit ba naggaganto? Dapat level sa crowd. Or dapat nga mas mababa pa nga yung crowd eh.
I love that Ken part, the deep voice.
Sobrang lakas ng crowd eh.
Crowd na dapat. Oo. Bakit ba? Para yung pasok nung may gagawin niya yung support dapat yung ano ko.
Excited ang lahat dahil nga panibagong awit, panibagong EP. So, panibagong aral, panibagong matututunan na naman.
Na-imagine ko na, nafe-feel ko na
They learn something new in every song they make. Wow. Are they like one dance group? Is it cold inside?
Tapos bat ba. So yung bat ba, bigla siyang susulpot. Sobrang nakaka-pressure
Yeah, I like
yung
that part.
na yun. Dapat medyo weird siya. Sa sobrang inis na inis ko kasi wala na akong maisip. Parang na akong nagtatantrum sa loob-loob ko. Parang nakakainis naman to. Tapos pa-play ko na naman. Hanggang sa nainis na ako, parang naisip ko yung parang bata na hindi binigyan ng laruan. Nagtantrums ako sa mall, tapos gumaganon-ganon ako. Yung parang,
Bro, that's genius.
Ganun yung feeling. So parang naging ganon siya, bat ba.
With the choreography, sobrang pinagtuunan ng pansin ni Kuya Jay.
Parang sinabi niya ang kalawa, kanan. So parang pinapakita yung lawak tsaka yung power niya. Parang mas lumawak yung galaw mo. Kaya ginagano lang. Sa crowd.
Yung peacock symbolism din siya ng rebirth. May papasok ba natin?
Binalik ko yung mga old school. Creep po, saka break. Yung gano'n, turot, yung mga gano'n sila. Pinapalibutan nila SB. Sa mga may win-worship, parang gano'n, SB yun. Yung pinaiikutan nila. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa mga ibang games, pero may mga tinry akong games. Hindi ko alam kung makakatulong ba siya sa akin o hindi. Tinatry ko na lang, baka kasi makatulong. Later on, dun mo na lang siya na nare-realize na, itong part pala na to. Dun siya inspired.
Oh, he's getting inspirations from games?
na nilaro ko.
Wow.
Si Pablo, yung gumanon siya sa likod ng dancer, gumanon siya. Kusa siyang na-apply kasi nga, binuhay ko nga yung sarili ko dun sa parang nasa loob ako nung game.
Wow. That's brilliant. Working out. Let's go. Blood, sweat, tears, bro, in this project.
Sa ako yung asim ko. Maangat eh.
Yes, it's challenging for us din kung paano namin siya kailangan i-absorb and paano i-sync as one.
Yeah, of course. It's not just SB19, but everyone involved in the dance has to give their best.
Gagawin ko ba?
Hindi kailangan na masundan mo mismo yung detalye, but of course, masync mo yung emotion, yung proper execution, dapat nandun siya.
Oh.
Mag-explore, mag-take ng risk, maraming sacrifices. So, yun yung mahirap.
Yeah, that's the hardest part. They have to commit 100%. No, 200%. Everyone has to commit.
Naku, wala na to. Hindi ko na to kaya. Kasi dulo na dila ako. Feeling ko hindi mo pa nasasagad yung sakit.
Ang kakalabanin mo talaga yung ginawa mo kahapon. para dyan. Dapat naman mga damitan. I see. Bite me. And then...
Justin's the youngest,
Pag
right?
pinanood mo yung dance, storytelling din siya. Makikita mo yung elements nung mismong music dun sa mismong choreography.
Let's go, Stel. Stel has a really good sense of humor. I like that part. Bro. The exhaustion.
May sigaw kasi hindi kayo dun eh. Hindi kayo sinisigaw eh.
That's it for today.
What?
Nagtitraining kami, nagpapalakas kami. Kasi sa totoong buhay, seryoso, nakakapagod talaga yung dam.
Everyone has to be on this same level of, activeness and intensity. That's why they gotta work out the same thing. Gotta do the same thing, bro.
Pero dahil sa training at paulit-ulit siyang ginagawa, mas nagiging natural na lang siya. So ang challenge doon is, ready ka bang mag-commit?
That's right. Bro. Oh, that hurts.
Emotion na kailangan ng choreography.
It got swollen, I
Kailangan
think.
mo siyang ma-deliver ng maayos. Yung chorus talaga niya, sobrang something na masarap niya ulit-ulitin.
And they're bringing the same team when they do live performances, concerts, right? Because they've mastered this dance.
Para kami mga warrior, mandirigno, imbaga.
It's not just about SB19 at this
Bago
point.
sumugod yung
It's the whole
kalaban
team.
sa kampo, may mga kawal munang pupunta sa harap para salubungin yung kaaway. Bago nyo marating ang SB19, kami muna babanggain niyo.
The frontliners. Ooh. Wait, the girl did the backflip? Woof! Goosebumps. Yay! Way to go. Good job, everyone.
Nagda-dance practice kami.
Oy, first take lang yun ha. The best take na yun.
Kasi simula at
What?
wakas nga, kinolek ko yung
That was the first take?
movement ng mga dating songs. Lango pa sa chug-chug-chug. Ano to eh? What? May part sa what
He
na
got the
meron
what
ganito.
part.
Yung tug-tug-tug yaw! Ano yun eh? Feeling yun ng Gentod before eh. Na
Yeah. That's why some parts of the song were like from the previous.
Parang masabi, mukhang maangas to, hindi ganun. Talagang meron siyang meaning, every detail, encrypted siya sa lyrics. With the Damn choreography, parang nafe-feel ko siya talaga kung paano ko pinapakinggan and paano ko na-absorb yung music itself. Ganun din yung nafe-feel ko every time I perform the choreography.
Matagal-tagal na din ako sa industry na nagtuturo ng mga artista. Hindi sila nananatiling ganun. Gusto nila nag-i-step up para na silang athletes.
It's called passion, bro. Wow. They're just passionate of their craft. They can't settle for less now.
Alam nila na the more na
Yeah.
nagsisik pa sila ng mangyayari sa buhay nila, mas marami pa silang haharapin. Mas marami pang struggle,
That's right.
mas marami pang challenges.
So they used blue screen.
Nakakapagod kantahin, nakakapagod din siya sayawin. Pero pag pinagsabay mo yung nakakapagod sayawin, tsaka nakakapagod kantahin, talagang pagod ka na nun. Pero sila, pinakita nilang kaya namin, kuya.
Yeah, of course. They've been doing it for
May mga
a
parts
decade, I
na
think, right?
Nakakahingal na, nakakapagod na, tapos namumutla na.
Almost a
Kumbaga,
decade.
may mga ganon. Ngayon ko lang siya na-experience sa harap ko. Hindi lang isang beses, kundi kada training. Hindi sila maarte. Yun lang. Thank you sa lahat ng nakasama sa lahat ng journey. At lalo na sa mga 18 na sumuporta.
That's right. It's the fuel. The fans are fueling this SB19. That's why they're always motivated and influenced to do their best. Wow. Wow, amazing. That was really good. Just imagine the effort, the time, the dedication that they have. Everyone, not just SB19, but everyone in the team, the dance group, the choreographer, everyone in the team really did their best for this project. Wow, amazing. And of course, they made something like not just them, but also the audience who can relate and just dance on their own by themselves, like on TikTok, in any other platform, they can dance this song easily. Thank you so much for watching this reaction. I hope you liked it, and if you did, click that like button down below. Of course, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, and let's watch the next part of this BTS of Damn. And of course, comment down below with any other songs, P-pop songs, any song that you want me to react. But I'll see you again in the next part of the BTS series, and I'll see you again in the next reaction video.